babae lang.
Babae na!
Take education before love and devotion. It's a good occupation for young generation. A blessed evening to each and everyone. My name is Faye Kapili Imperial, 24 years old stunner, all the way last from the land of happiness. Maligaya, Quezon City. But for tonight, this is a pageant. Please do allow me to stand by the name. Ang babaeng kumanta ng dahan-dahan lang. Ang babaeng nagbigay ng katagang. The black is out, gold is in. Sabay-sabay nating palakpakan at hiwan, Miss Maha Salvador.
Maha Salvador!
Miss Maha Salvador na nag-iiwan ng mga kasabihang, pag may patay, may sugal. Bet all sa malahat.